Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. We have already completed up to question 15 of 2018-19 NSO paper set C for class 6. Today I will start from question 16. So let's get started. Question number 16. Refer to the given figure and select the correct option regarding it. Option A. P is the molten part made up of nickel and iron. This is the incorrect option. Option B. The hottest part of the earth is R, which is solid. This is also the incorrect option. The hottest part of the earth is the core, which is P. Now C. Q is connected to the surface of earth with the help of volcanoes. This is also the incorrect option. Option D. Minerals and oil deposits are found in the part S. This is the correct option. Minerals and oils deposits are found in the part of S. Now question 17. A student poured some boiling hot water into a glass filled with ice. Which of the following would happen? Statement I. The ice would melt. Statement 2i. The ice would change its state. 3i. The glass will crack. IV. The hot water will gain some heat. The correct answer will be option C. I, 2i and 3i only, because the hot water will lose heat to the ice and glass. The glass will show some crack as there is a drastic change in temperature when the cold glass comes into contact with the high temperature of the hot water. The ice cubes will also melt and change from solid to liquid state. The correct answer will be option C. Question 18. Which of the following properties is or are correct about the image formed by a plane mirror? I. The image is at the same distance from the mirror as the object. 2i. The image is upside down. 3i. The image is laterally inverted. The correct answer will be option B, I and 3i only. The image formed by a plane mirror is always erect. Question number 19. Electromagnetic is a temporary magnet. Strength of this magnet depends on number of turns of wire for a given current and material used as the core. What could most likely be the number of pins attracted by electromagnet Y? Every 10 more turns of the wire allows electromagnet to attract 4 more pins. So electromagnet Y can attract around 14 pins. So the correct answer will be option C. Now question 20. Sohit released a ball from point X in a ball. The ball could only reach point Y. If Sohit wants the ball to reach point Z, which of the following solutions will make the possible? I. Use an elastic ball. 2i. Release the ball from a lower position. 3i. Release the ball from a higher position. The correct answer will be option B, 3i only. From conservation of energy, the ball should be released from higher position to reach the point Z. Now question 21. Match column 1 with column 2 and select the correct option from the given codes. Rubber band. It will be floats on water. Q. Muslin cloth. It will be 3i, which is translucent. Then R. Honey. Honey will be miscible in water, so it will be I. Then S. Iron nail. Iron nail will be metal, so the correct answer will be option B. Now question 22. Which of the following statements are correct? I. Larger solid particles can be separated from smaller ones by filtration. This is the incorrect statement because larger solid particles can be separated from smaller ones by sieving method. 2i. Cream can be separated from milk by churning. This is the correct statement. Statement 3i. A mixture of mud and water can be separated by loading, sedimentation and decantation. This is also the correct statement. IV. Grains can be separated from stalks by threshing. This is also the correct statement. So the answer will be option D. Now question 23. Neha observed a few changes and tried to classify them into three types as physical irreversible changes, Q physical reversible changes, or chemical irreversible changes. Select the incorrect classification. Baking of cake is a chemical irreversible change and crystallization is a physical reversible change. So our correct answer will be option D. Question 24. The following experiment was conducted by class 6 students to check the solubility or miscibility of a few common substances in water. Which of the following observations is correct? Statement I. Components will disappear completely in test tubes P, R and T. This is the incorrect statement. Components will disappear completely in test tubes P, T and U as salt, vinegar and glucose are completely soluble in water. Then 2i. Components will form a separate layer in test tubes R and U. This is also the incorrect statement. 3i. Components in test tube Q and R are insoluble in water. This is the correct statement. Chalk powder, wax and sand are insoluble in water. IV. Components in test tube R and T are immiscible in water. This is also the incorrect statement. Vinegar is an immiscible liquid. So our correct answer will be option A. Question 25. Study the given Venn diagram carefully and select the correct statement. Statement I. Substances X, Y and Z represent solid, liquid and gas phase respectively. This is the correct statement. X is solid, Y is liquid and Z is gas. Now 2i. The processes P, R and T take place with increase in temperature. This is the incorrect statement. Process P is freezing, R is condensation and T is deposition. All these processes take place with decrease in temperature. Now 3i. The process U represents sublimation while the process R represents condensation. This is the correct statement. IV. Processes Q, S and U take place with increase in temperature. This is also the correct statement. So the correct answer will be option B, I, 3i and IV only. Now question 26. Read the given statements and select the correct option. Statement 1. Naphthalene balls are kept in open air in order to maintain their state. This is the false statement. Naphthalene balls undergo sublimation when kept in open air. Statement 2. The process of conversion of a solid into the liquid state and heating is called sublimation. This is also the incorrect statement. The process of direct conversion of a solid into gaseous state is called sublimation. So the correct answer will be option D. Both statements 1 and 2 are false. Question 27. Which of the following methods are not correctly matched for separating the given mixtures? Common salt and camphor. sublimation. This is the correct separation method. 2i, sugar and water condensation. It can be separated by evaporation, so this is the incorrect statement. 3i, iron fillings and wheat flour, magnetic separation. This is also the correct separation. IV, sawdust and stones, filtration. Sawdust and stones can be separated by sieving, so this is the incorrect statement. V, cream and milk, evaporation. This is also the incorrect statement. Cream and milk can be separated by centrifugation. So the correct answer will be option C. Now question number 28. Observe the changes shown in figure 1 and figure 2 carefully. Which of the following statements is correct? Option A. In figure 1, particles get more orderly arranged. B. In figure 2, contraction takes place. C. In figure 2, energy is released. D. In figures 1 and 2, physical reversible changes take place. The correct answer will be option D. In figure 1, melting and expansion of metals and heating are physical reversible change. Particles become more disordered and changing from solid to liquid state. In figure 2, expansion takes place and energy is absorbed. The correct answer will be option D. Question 29. Select the correct statement. Option A. Dry ice is a homogeneous mixture. This is the incorrect statement. Dry ice is solid carbon dioxide, which is a compound. B. Smoke is an example of heterogeneous mixture. This is the correct statement. C. Brass is a compound. This is incorrect because brass is an alloy. Hence it is a homogeneous mixture. Now option D. Hydrogen, bromine and silver all are solid elements. This is also the incorrect statement. Hydrogen is a gas and bromine is a liquid. Question 30. Shreya wanted to prepare salad for lunch using products obtained from different plant parts. If she decided to use all plant parts, her salad would contain dash. The correct answer will be option C. Lettuce, broccoli, cucumber, carrot, onion and corn. Lettuce is a leaf, broccoli is a flower, cucumber is fruit, carrot is root, onion is stem and corn is seed. So Shreya should prepare her salad using these food items if she wants to include all plant parts in her salad. So this is the correct option. Thanks for watching.